We're getting festive over here. Festive, festive, festive. And happy, what is it? Tuesday, May 19th. Happy, terrific Tuesday. If you're watching this, you're watching the replay. Hello, Anna. How are you, my friend? I am just bringing up my computer so I can see comments. How was your day? Are you back to work, Anna? Or are you working from home? What is this all about? Hi, Shanessa. How's that beautiful baby girl and little cute guy you got going on at home? Awesome. You can just set them right there. Thank you. I got Robbie here helping me in the background. Okay. I'm super excited because I went to our local store that just recently opened and I found some super cute surfaces and I want to share them with you guys. And I am gonna get this party started. Yay, they're getting so big. That is so cool. I love seeing all your posts, by the way. All right. So welcome to couture with Laura Christensen. And I am here to show you how to design, love, and repeat with your designs. And I am very computer literate. So there we go. Okay. So look at these cute little boxes that I found. Isn't this cute? I have 1, 2, and I have 3. And what I really love about these surfaces is that I can use these for 4 different seasons by decorating the front of each season or front of each box for different seasons. And I'm gonna make a 4th of July project because this weekend is Memorial Weekend, right? And we're all gonna be celebrating in our own way, whether it's with family or not. So I'm going to be using this retired surface or retired transfer again. However, it comes in 2 parts, just like this. And I have used it several times. I've used it at least 4 times. 4 times. I've used it in the back on this board. I've used it on my shirt, and then I've used it on a project that I did for a custom order. Hi, Jame. How are you, girl? And so this transfer has been used 4 times. It's technically a 2-step transfer because when you're using the American flag, you would do this one first. So like if you're doing it on a blackboard or anything other than white. So that's why they gave me the 2 pieces. So, and for all of you that know me, know that I absolutely love the 4th of July. So the first thing that we're gonna do, and see, I can't see if you guys can see because all my comments are on the bottom. So can you guys see these projects sitting here okay? If those comments are bugging you, swipe to the right and they'll go away. So, this American flag is very sticky and I need to fuzz it because this raw wood has kind of a, I've washed it, but it kind of has like a white chalky film on it that keeps coming up, and I don't want that on the back of my transfer, so we are going to fuzz. And what fuzzing does is it creates a barrier in between the transfer and the surface to protect your transfer because they're reusable over and over and over. And couture says we can use these anywhere from 8 to 12 times. Depending upon how hard you are on the transfer, it could last less, but most likely if you take care of it, it will last a lot longer. So We're just gonna give it a quick little fuzz on our fuzzing towel, just like that. And these boxes, you will see, have 4 sides. This one side here had like a little leather thing on it that said eat, and I pulled it off. And I'm gonna repaint that white so that I can decorate it for like Christmas or whatever. But what my goal is for these little boxes is when we get together as family and we are eating or grilling or cooking, and I like to place all of my utensils in. Hi Dina, hi Rebecca, hi Karen. Oh, my little firecracker is great. I'm gonna put all my napkins in these little boxes, and I'm also going to put forks and spoons and anything that would like blow away if we're outside. So I went ahead and I prepared this chalk. This color we decided, this is Midnight Sky. This is a retired blue, but I have another color just like it that's in stock. So if you're looking for the chalk paste in a nice patriotic blue, we've got lots of colors to choose from. So I am just going to, yay, that's the perfect day for a wedding, right? After Rona. A big celebration, right? I'm just gonna load up my squeegee with chalk, and since this transfer has a lot of screen in it, I am going to push my chalk out of the screen. So I'm pushing it outwards. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I don't want the transfer to basically slide around. Because basically what's holding this transfer down are the stars. The stars are sticky, so it's adhering to the surface. And also in the screen, there's some, oh, I would say vintagey little chunks. And those two are also sticky, so it's helping keep the transfer down. And it just kind of will give it a little pop of white. So this is a little tricky, holding on to it like this. So if my blue is really, if it's really like sharp and crisp on the edges, I can always take, dry it of course, and then take a sandpaper and sand it. So here's the big peel and reveal. Hi Megan. Oh, that really pulled it up. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna let this dry, and I want it the vintagey color, so it's gonna look like this. So we're gonna set that to the side and let it dry. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and use the stripes for the red, but I don't want this blue to touch any of it. So I'm gonna just do a quick clean on it. And the way you do a quick clean with your transfers, like say if we're doing a workshop and more than one people are using one transfer, this is how I would teach you to clean the transfer. So also like you, Jamie, if you're at home and you're using your transfers that you just ordered and you need to have them used multiple times, this is what you would do. You would basically spray it down with water, take a disinfecting wipe, and I have like a craft store mat laying down on my table. It just protects the surface. And then I just wipe it up with my paper towel, and I just grab another disinfecting wipe. For those of you that are local to me, if you're out and about shopping and you see disinfecting wipes, please message me and let me know, because I cannot find them anywhere. And I know I don't go out a lot, but I'm probably going out at the wrong time. So if you see any and you don't need any, pick me up one and I'll pay you. I would really appreciate it. That's how desperate I am. I'm like down to the bare bones. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do like a quick dry. Basically, I just want to get all the wetness, moisture out of my chalk silkscreen transfer. Just like that. And it's still super stinking sticky. Okay, so now basically the reason why I clean this is because I am going to lay these two other boxes right down next to each other, side by side, like this. And I'm going to lay the, can you see that? I'm gonna lay the stripes down. And so this way when they're side by side, they're even and they're not kitty wampus. They're basically the same across the board. There we go, just like that. Okay, now I'm gonna take my, oops, that's not the one. Now I'm gonna take my red. I gotta find my red. I know I just pulled a bunch of color out of stock. Okay, here's my red. So if you're local to me or you live across the state and you want to do a project like this, you guys, I have lots of blue, I have lots of red on hand, and I have lots of white on hand. And guess what? If you're interested in making something on wood, I have one of these left. So the first person that I see on my end comment mine, it's yours. So now I'm gonna do the red, and what I have found with this blue one is, like I said, this has like a chalky coating on it, and it's not the way I want it. So I'm gonna try to load up my squeegee as much as I can, and I'm just gonna give this one white line right here a nice pull of chalk paste, because I don't wanna go over it, because one, it's gonna dry really quick, and two, what was my other point? One, it was gonna dry really quick, and two, I don't wanna go over it and over it because I don't want it to bleed. So, and I don't want my transfer to move either, because I want some nice, crisp, red stripes. There's that one. I did have to go over those a couple times, but hopefully I'll be all right. There's two, and I did apply it pretty thick. Here's three. Yikes. So you guys, I am so excited. Who else here, who decorates with red, white, and blue? I absolutely love 4th of July. I love Christmas, but I love 4th of July. Love, love, love. So we're just loading up the screen. We're just gonna push it across. And I'm really going for the vintagey, rustic, dirty kind of look, because that's how I am. Okay, if you guys are commenting, I'm sorry. I don't see your comments, but I will get back to you. If I didn't say hi to you, I'm sorry. I just gotta work fast so that my chalk does not dry in my screen. And two, I'm not even gonna scrape it off. I'm not even gonna give it that, that squeegee effect, because, oh yeah, that worked way better with these. Isn't that stinking adorbs? Oh my goodness, I hope that I have that right. just gonna drop this in the water quick. Isn't that amazing, you guys? Pound that like button. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Let me just see if I see anybody that popped on. Hey, Tracy. Hi, Jody. Hey, Pamela. Welcome, you guys. Isn't that stinking cute? And I made this. Isn't it amazing? So you guys, I seriously encourage you, when you don't have anything to do, this is so fun. You can put chalk couture on any surface. You can do fabric like my shirt. You can do boards. You can do utensil holders. You can do glass. If you wanted to put flags on your glass, you could do that. So let me just give you a little sneak peek. There's 13 of us in my family. So imagine 13, 15 forks, spoons and knives, and if I had a bunch of like cute little patriotic napkins, and I had it at the beginning of my table for everybody to start loading up their plates, this is what they would see. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Awesome. So you guys, if you like this project, share it with your friends, tell your friends about it. I love teaching people. If you want to have an online video workshop, I can teach you. It's so easy. It really is. It really is. So happy Terrific Tuesday. If you're interested in joining my VIP group to get ideas on how to decorate, I would love to add you. Sorry, no designers are allowed. I do have some designers that are on my team that are in there just to kind of get a feel for it, but other than that, no designers. And I'll see you tomorrow night. If you have a certain surface that you want to see something made, let me know. I'll see if I can put it together for you. So, happy Thursday, and we'll see you tomorrow night, Wednesday at 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Do something nice for yourself, everybody. Bye.